Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In the last videos, I have covered up to defining a method and also how to define attributes within a class. So, in this video, continuing the objects and classes, we shall discuss about the init method and also the self parameter, which is a mandatory parameter for defining a method within the class. So without any delay, let us start. This is where we stopped in the last video, right? So here we have a class and two parameters within the class, and also we have a method, sample method, and it has a parameter self, and also we have body of the method. We have created the object and we have called the attribute and also the method. But here, why do we use self? Why the self is a compulsory parameter for methods within a class? We do not use the self parameter for normal methods, for normal functions, right? But why to use within the class? Self method actually is a mandatory method, as I have already said. If we have no arguments for the function or no arguments for the method, even though we use the self parameter, we cannot create a method without a self parameter within a class. Understand? For example, here we have called dog1.sample method, where dog1 is an object and sample method is a method within our class dog. But who says if the sample method is within the class dog? We have just specified the dog1 object and also the method. We haven't specified any class, right? Here, this object refers to the statement where it is within the class, and then refers to the sample method which is within the class. Okay. All these things are done by self parameter. That is, when we call object.method, it gets converted into the class.method and it refers to the respective object and then returns us the output. Got it? This is the use of self parameter. Now, getting into init method. All the classes almost contain init method. Okay. Here we have just created a sample class which do not contain any init method. But to create any class within Python for real life project, you have to use the init method. Okay. These are similar to the constructors in Java, right? If you are knowing Java, even though if you don't know, don't worry, I'll make you go through that. For example, a constructor is also a collection of statements that are executed at the time of object creation. For example, when we create the object, then the constructor for the class dog is created. Within Java, it is created directly. But within Python, we have to create by using the init method. Okay. The init method is run as soon as we instantiate the object of the class. That is, as soon as we write the statement, the init method is called. Okay. So let us write the init method, and let me remove these parameters here. We shall define them within the init method. Okay. Def _init and followed by another _. Okay. It also has a self parameter, and let's say the same parameters color and breed. Okay. Here defining our color and breed, which are our attributes within the init method within our class dog. Self.color is equals to color and self.breed is equals to breed, right? Yeah, we have defined our init method here. Now let us give our parameters here. We haven't specified any color or any breed here, right? In the last time, we have specified color is equals to black and breed is equals to some model, right? But here we haven't specified any color and breed specifically. So let us specify them here. within the object, I mean the instantiation statement. Okay, dog, let's say color black again, and the breed, right? Now let us run the program. Yeah, it has returned the same statements, the breed, and this is a dog of color black and breed product. So this is the use of self parameter and also the init statement. Again, covering all the topics, init method is like a constructor. It is called whenever the object is created. So constructor is run as soon as the object of the class is created. So this is useful to do any of the initialization you want to do with your object. The name itself suggests it is init. Init means initialization of the object, right? So ideally, do not create any classes without the init method, okay? Now also the self parameter is used to call. I mean it is like a pointer. For example, if you call the object.method, it converts it into the class.method and calls a method within the class, okay? So this is all about self and init. So if you have any doubts, reach me out in the comment section. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel and to learn Python and also to learn the basic programs for beginners to master Python, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.